You are just few messages away where you can copy paste and make $300 a day online. I'm not even kidding. You don't need to be an advertising expert. You don't need to be a marketing professional. You don't even need to have any skills. Because I'm about to share you the step-by-step method that you can copy paste, which is already proven by hundreds of individuals online who are actually making money. And the best part, once you set it up, it's completely automated. And before you think, oh, this is another side hustle that will take forever to work, let me tell you something. I don't have a course to sell. I don't sell any coaching programs. I run my own marketing agency and I have made millions of dollars online as a brown kid from random country. In fact, I'll give you everything I know for completely free. I'm not even kidding. Step by step course, client getting templates, blueprints, scripts, PDF guides, everything you need that you can implement for a client and create an income for yourself completely for free. All you have to do is click the like button for this video, share this video with a friend and comment the word free course, and I will send you a private invitation link to join my community where I coach you for free on a weekly basis, where my team hosts daily live bootcamp for you to launch your business. And also I will set you up with one of my teammates for completely free where we kick off your business. I promise you by the end of this video, you will have an exact blueprint to launch your business in the next 72 hours with a working system. Stick till the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can actually build $10,000 per month revenue using this simple game plan. Now let's get into the video. Let's get into it. How to actually make $300 a day using AI and simple messages. This method is literally copy paste. Even if you are not an experienced marketer, this would absolutely work. Now, let me just zoom in a bit so you understand what I'm actually talking about, so you could actually clearly see my screen in the first place. As mentioned, this method is used by hundreds of others online to make money, and you know you don't need to buy an expensive course. I'm going to show you everything for free. If you have tried and failed many side hustles, this can actually work. All you need to do is use AI and simple automation tool that can actually make businesses more money that will pay you every single month. So let's get straight into it. Who am I in the first place? I actually went from a broke dropout kid to running $1 million marketing agency without any connections or special skills, just following a proven method, helped hundreds of people do the same online. Unlike any fake gurus who sell courses and stuff, I don't run any of that. No coaching programs, no courses whatsoever. I run my own marketing agency and I have a software business. I'm on a mission to help 1 million people to start making money online, and that's one of the reasons I'm making this content for free. Obviously, I am getting incentivized as well while I'm doing this. Now, let me show you the proof in the first place. You can't pay me as I mentioned. There is no courses to buy. Throw your credit card, put your guard down. You can't pay me. Let's start the journey of upskilling. This is my journey. That was my first setup. I bought this laptop on an EMI. In under 2 years, I was able to make $1 million in my marketing agency and register my company in Dubai and move there. I traveled to 10 plus countries in the last 6 months at the age of 23. And this is my business where I generate tens of thousands of dollars every single week, while actually my recurring revenue for software business is also consistent. And as I mentioned, I've spoken on stages, interviewed 150 millionaires on my podcast, wrote an actual book, not the ChatGPT book. This I published in 2023, done very legit stuff. Now, long story short, most of the gurus you follow who sell you courses have never done any things which I mentioned, and my clients have actually made 500 million. I have actually made my clients over $500 million. Enough about me. Let's actually talk about how you can take advantage of this business model which is working right now. It's pretty simple. You're going to set up a simple AI powered SMS campaign for small businesses. Why, you might be thinking? Most businesses have been in the business for a very, very long time, meaning they have a list of 500,000, 3,000, sometimes 10,000 customers who they have in their list, but they do not even retarget them. SMS have 98% open rate. I mean, email gets decent 20%, but this is the game changer. And they already have a list which they don't use. All you need to do is simply help them retarget the past customer. You call it reactivating the old leads that can get them more appointments to increase the revenue. Now, you might be thinking, who can actually buy this? Who can get benefit out of this? Any small local business, your plumber, doctor, electrician, chiropractor, doesn't matter. Whoever actually has a small business and have a small customer list, even if it's few hundred leads, they can generate revenue from this opportunity because they make more money by reactivating the leads. They pay you every single month. And the best part is, if you stack enough clients for these simple automations that you set up one time and you make money every single time, you can start making $300 a day from the comfort of your home. I do it while I'm traveling all over the world. Now, you might be wondering, Nick, where do I find these businesses in the first place? You can find any type of businesses, as I have mentioned: dentists, salons, auto shops, doesn't matter. There is few sources like D7 Lead Finder, Leads Gorilla, Google Maps is my favorite, finding local Facebook groups. Regardless of where you're finding them, you can cold call them and say, hey, I found you on Google Maps. Are you guys open right now? Curious, your Google Maps didn't have enough reviews. Why is that? You start a small chat like that. Then you ask them, are you looking for more customers? How big is your customer list right now? I can help you get more customers if you're interested. We can try this risk free. I'll set this up. I'll walk you through the offer a little bit more, but you get the point. You look for businesses with some customer list who do not follow up. That is the goal number one. And then we will talk about how to make an irresistible offer. Offer them something which they feel stupid to say no to, meaning no cost upfront to them, because again, this won't cost you much time, much energy, much investment anyway. So why not offer it for free so that you can actually build a stack of clients that you can charge monthly? The sample pitch is pretty simple. Hey business owner, let me run a free AI powered SMS campaign to bring you more appointments. Only if it works, we can talk about the incentives. You can make personalized videos. This is a little bit more effective. Or as I mentioned, cold call them and ask, hey, I saw your maps, you have less reviews. Why is that? How many customers do you have? Can I help you reactivate your leads and get more customers? Would you be opposed to working with me as a trial? If it works, give me a testimonial. That's all you can ask. No cost to them. You get a case study, win-win situation. And these case studies, if they're giving you a case study, if they give you a testimonial, that means they like you. So if they want to continue the service second month, they will keep paying you, and the same case studies will help you more clients. So the most businesses with this type of offer will say yes. As they agree, all you need to do is collect the information into a simple Excel sheet, which you can import into the CRM system, which I will show you in a minute. Now let's get into the tech of it. You might be thinking, Nick, I got to be a technical guy to set up these automations. I don't know how SMS campaigns work. I'm not a marketer. Chill, neither I am when I got started. It's very simple, and now you have ChatGPT and AI to do most of the heavy lifting for you. So I'll walk you through step by step. First of all, get into funneling.io. I'll show you an example here so you understand. Then you need to set up a simple SMS campaign where you offer something absolutely valuable for free for their potential clients. I'm taking an example of a dentist here, and most customers who actually come to a dental clinic are looking to fix their teeth. So you can't offer them some random services. You need to offer them a relevant service. So in this case, I created a simple marketing campaign saying, hey, first name, are you looking for free teeth whitening at location name? This week, reply yes to claim your spot. 6 spots left. You don't need to come up with this marketing message. If you tell ChatGPT with an AI prompt saying, hey, this is the business name, this is the service they actually have. They have a list of 3,000 people. What is the best marketing campaign I can actually do to reactivate all their leads on SMS? Give me 7 different variations. It will split 7 different variations. Whichever you feel intrigued to reply to, pick that and set it up in automation. Let's say if they have 1,000 leads, you set up this automation, they might get 5% reply rate, which is 50 new appointments. 50 new appointments can potentially bring even 5,000, or especially for dentists, if they're selling implants or some high ticket services, they can get 30, 50, even $100,000 in revenue. Because they make so much more additional revenue, which they would never make without your automated system, they will be willing to pay. Now they happily pay you because they see the trial, they become a case study, they become a testimonial. Now, all this theory makes sense. Wondering how to set this up? Let me show you. This is where the magic starts. You go into the funneling software, select automations and click workflows. Create new workflow, and we have already created the recipe for you. Click select recipe. Once you have clicked that, scroll down a bit and you will find something called list reactivation. We literally have the automation and workflow already ready. Click select and this automation and workflow will be loaded into your account. Look at this. It literally has a free teeth whitening offer. You can copy paste the message from the ChatGPT. You can get an approval from the business owner to make sure the offer is aligned. You need to offer something very valuable to their customers, which they cannot refuse. Make them feel stupid to not respond. Add some scarcity elements overall. And there is a simple automation, which is all the tags, all the contacts which are added into the CRM now will receive the first SMS. We will wait 1 hour. If they actually respond, the AI will know if it's a positive response. According to it, we will convert them into next steps to book an appointment. If they didn't do a positive response, we can again set up AI ChatGPT to actually have a conversation with them, I will not go into that technical setup as of now. If you have any questions, you can literally ask our AI workflow here and it will tell you how to set up, what to set up as well. So you don't even have to worry about what should we do. Now, in case if there is no response, there is again a different automation flow which will do a second attempt saying, hey, just checking in if this is something you're still interested in. The voucher will expire. Let me know if you're interested. Wait again, positive response, negative response. The workflow keep on going. So this type of simple list reactivation, a small local business can use once every month or once every quarter, and they can flood the leads with new appointments. They can flood their location with new appointments and new business coming in because they are going to make more money. They will be paying you more money. Once you get a grip of how to do this, you will be able to customize it and really play with it according to the customer journey. And the best thing you could do is, again, have a conversation with ChatGPT where you could be like, hey, what would be the best journey for me to create a reactivation sequence? And it will tell you, you can build the automation. It's literally a drag and drop builder, not a single line of code. Once you build it, you can test the workflow and publish it, save it. Pretty much. Once you do that, all you have to do is import the contacts. I will show you how to do that. Just go into contacts, and now you could literally upload new contacts into the CRM system. Very, very simple, nothing crazy here. And you can also do bulk actions, meaning take all the lists they have and be uploading them as well. Once you have a big list here, now let me show you how you can import contacts. Come to the contact section and you can literally select this section called import contacts, and you can select upload a simple Excel sheet or whichever sample you actually have. Map the data, meaning name, phone number, email, and verify it, and they will be added. That's how simple it is for you to upload the contacts. I'm not going to do it because this is the demo account, but you get the point. You created a simple automation, you tested it. Once you know it's working fine and it's perfect, you make sure you get an approval from the business owner, you upload the contact list, and the automation kicks in. And now the business owner will actually get new appointments which he would never get without your service. Now he will happily pay you, become a case study, become a testimonial, and retain as a customer for your business. On top of it, you can add other services like review automations or missed call text back feature, social planner, simple mobile app for them to run their business from their phone, and many more things. And this business opportunity can allow you to scale to $10,000 a month. Because let's say if you have 3 to 5 businesses paying you $300 a month, that can build $1,500 a month recurring revenue. The best part is the first month you might only make $1,500, but the next month you close another 5 clients. That will add another $1,500. So you make $3,000 the second month. Then the third month you actually make $4,500. So all you need to do is find more local businesses, offer the same service. Especially once you do this 3, 5, 10 times, you will get so used to it, and the software is so plug and play and easy. You can just repeat the same playbook over and over, and you will get good at this because you build testimonials and case studies. Clients will trust you more. You will be able to charge a monthly retainer. The best part which I have done is you can actually ultimately scale as a full service agency to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars on a scale if that's what you want to do, like I have done. Or you can hire a virtual assistant and they will set the whole thing up so that you don't even have to do the shebang. You make an SOP and they will do it. We can also facilitate virtual assistant if you want to outsource the work. So you literally just need to do closing, attract more clients, and everything else will be done by the system, and the software do all the heavy lifting. Now the best part is if you want to charge high ticket and do more customized services and become a full service agency like what I have done, you can do that too, but you need to upskill yourself and deliver great results and charge higher upfront. Businesses will pay you month on month for this type of services. Even if they don't want the premium service, because your automation services can add more revenue, they will be happy to be your client. Now, I hope that is helpful so far. All I ask you to do is get my free course, which has step-by-step proven messages, automation templates, scripts, and daily bootcamp and coaching on a weekly basis with me. Everything for free. I don't have a course. I don't sell a coaching program. All I expect you to do is like this video, share this video with a friend, and comment the word free course. And I will make sure to give you a private link where you can join my community, get a step-by-step course to start your marketing agency, proven templates that you can use to actually get new local businesses to respond to your messages, automation scripts that you could run to get them results, and we will do daily boot camps to help you implement this without fail. Now, in case if you're looking for more help, there is a video where I will walk you through how you could sell websites to local businesses and make $1,000 a week. Doing this, very simple, step by step. Watch that next video. Hopefully you got some value out of this session. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I want to thank our partners in this video, startyoursoftware.com. We will help you start your software business where you could actually make recurring revenue selling simple software solutions that are copy pasted into local businesses so that you can kickstart your online income with us. All you need to do is check out the link startyoursoftware.com and get your free trial.